Apprenticeship Week, hugely important. You know, apprenticeships and apprentices are driving force of business. At IEG we have over 1,000 apprentices on a whole range of different courses, from construction, engineering to health. Apprenticeship Week is a great way of celebrating apprenticeships and making sure that young people know that there are those opportunities, parents know that there are those opportunities, that there is an alternative, perhaps going to study A-levels or go to university, that apprenticeships is a viable option. It's a great option, you can get a great career. So highlighting the power of apprenticeships and apprentices is so important. It's tough for young people across the country. As colleges, schools, universities, we have to work together to make sure we provide not only the opportunities but the support to access those opportunities, whether that's around transport, whether it's about digital skills, whether it's about developing people's leadership, confidence, team building, interpersonal skills, employability skills. Providers have to not just teach the skills that employers want in terms of that technical skill, but also those employability skills as well. And there's so much support available, but there's more for us to do.
Apprenticeships are huge in developing business, and it's really important to get those youngsters into business to, create their own, grow their own from grassroots, but also to gain those really important skills that are needed locally. And I think it's important to recognise that apprenticeships aren't just for young people, they can be used to upskill existing staff. So for example, degree level apprenticeships are an amazing programme, so it's great if business start to look at how those types of learning opportunities can upskill their workforce.
Best way to get local people into jobs is by using the apprenticeship levy. The level 2, the level 3 in construction is out there, it's usable. We've got Inspire in the local area. We've got ARU in the local area, and we should be using the local education establishments to give these kids an opportunity. But it needs to be mandated in the procurement and the contracts that are awarded. It is fundamental to growing your business. We have to give kids an opportunity. There are too many not in education, employment or training. This is a route in. 70% of the organisation when I worked at Marshalls were Marshall apprentices. And who are the best project managers? Marshall apprentices. Who are the best operations directors? Marshall apprenticeships that had come through the system, understood the business, understand the industry, and then progressed. It's a great entry into an industry, whether it's construction, my old world, aviation, but we have to get organisations giving these kids an opportunity.